Hello, how are you, all my dear students? I am fine. I hope you are well. Very thanks. You watch my video, like and share, subscribe my channels. Today's new assignment 25. Start now. EXP 25 Excel chapter number 8 mid-level 2 reading scores, and today is my assignment title reading score. Project descriptions. We are providing help in online course computer science, business management and math, business and finance, business and account, Excel, Word, PowerPoints, English, physiologies, and weekly exam, weekly quiz, and other all assignments. Please you contact me WhatsApp and email. Question number 1, start now. Start Excel, download and open the file names EXP25 Excel chapter number 8 mid-level 2 ready square. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. All dears, question number 1 is only downloading file. But I already downloading this file. Okay, 2 file is downloading. I ready, and question number 2 is complete. Question number 1 is complete because only downloading file, no difficult. Question number 2, in the range F2 H2 insert function that will calculate the average for each of the group control CBT only hybrid. It's okay. Question number 2, range F2 H2 and insert function calculate average in F2. It's okay. Control and total average A2. Okay. I formula increase create equal to formula average and total figure A. Bracket close. Okay, enter. Okay, all my dear student, control average is complete and CBT only. Question number 2 is F2 range H2 complete average formula input equal average and CBT only. It's okay, CBT only. B2 enter. Okay. CBT only averages completely figure and hybrid equal average. Hybrid figure. Okay, C25 is complete. Enter. Okay, question number 2 is finally complete because F2 and H2 average formula is complete. I back this. Question number 2 is complete and start now question number 3. Question number 3. In the range F3 to H3, F3 to H3, insert function that will calculate the median for each of the group. Dear students, question number 3, range F3 to H3, insert function and calculate the median size F3 to H3. It's okay. And I create formula median. It's okay. And figure in control. Okay. Enter. Dear students, median is complete and CBT only create formula equal median and total figure input G3 bracket close. I enter. Okay, G3 is complete and last H3 because range F3 to H3. Median okay. RDS F3 to H3 is median formula is complete and all figure put here. It's okay. I back this. Question number 3 is complete. I start now question number 4. Question number 4. In the range H4 to H4, F4 to H4, insert function that will calculate the most repetitive values for each of the group. In the range F4 to H4, insert function will calculate the most repetitive values for each of the group. More, it's okay, equal A25 figure, bracket close, I enter. Okay. Complete figure control and more formula use in and G3 G4 equal to mode B2 bracket close, I enter. Okay. G4 is complete and H4 last H4 equal to mode and hybrid C2 enter. It's okay. Question number, mode is complete, F4 to H4. I beg this question number 4 is complete because this is very easy, no difficult. And question number 5 start now. In the range H5, in the range F5 to H5 and so on, insert function that will calculate the highest value for each of the group. In the range F5 to H5, insert function that will calculate the highest value means maximum. It's okay. G5 H5, I3 formula use in F5 G5 and H5. And highest mean maximum and low means minimum. I formula put here equal to maximum. Okay, maximum means highest and control A2 A25. It's okay. Formula complete. I enter. Okay. Equal to maximum bracket close, enter. Okay. H5 equal to maximum hybrid C2 and C25 bracket close, I enter. Okay, highest value is complete. I use an maximum formula. Question number 5 is complete. I start now question number 6. In the range F6 to H6, insert function that will calculate the lowest value for each of the group in the range F6 to H6, and insert function calculate the lowest value in group. It's okay. Lowest value equal to lowest value minimum minimum bracket close, enter. Okay, lowest value is 8 in H5, H6. It's okay, F6. G6, I formula put in equal to minimums minimum CBT only is total figure, close bracket, I enter. Okay, equal to minimum formula use, last hybrid and total click, bracket close, I enter. Okay, highest, lowest and variance. Next question number 6 is complete. Question number 7 start now. I increase the word because you better understand better word. IL color change, different color in the range F7 to H7. Insert function that will calculate the variance for each of the group. Use the function that includes that as descriptors in the range F7 to H7. Insert the calculate the variance for each of group. I go to log sheets and formula in variance bracket close, I enter, and total formula use in F7 to H7 and start in G7 equal to okay, CBT only, I enter. Last H7 I7 equal to okay, last hybrid all figure click okay, and F7 F7 to H7 figure is complete. And question number 7 is complete. Start now question number 8. Start now. I increase the word because all students better word understand. In the range F8 to H8 insert function that will calculate the standard divisions for each of the group. Use in function that include the S descriptor. That's all. Range in the range F8 to H8. It's okay. H8 equal to standard. Okay. Standard values. Control all figure, click, bracket close, enter, equal to standard S descriptor, enter. Okay. H8, last at H8 equal to standard S descriptor S, use here. Last hybrid, totally click, bracket close, enter. All my dear students, question number 8 is complete. Question number 8 is complete, and question number 9 start now. I increase the word